In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Wonderwall by Oasis, off of their album, What's the Story, Morning Glory? And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, gentlemen? America's favorite guitar-playing ginger, and possibly only guitar-playing ginger, is back with another song lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and I teach aspiring guitar players like you how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Today, we have a Britpop classic, Wonderwall by Oasis. Comment down below if Oasis was your favorite 90s band. And let's dive in. The first thing we're going to do is make this song a lot easier to learn than it otherwise could be. And the way we're going to do that is this. You're going to place your pinky on the 3rd fret of the 1st string, and you're going to place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. And those two fingers are not going to move for the rest of the song. Okay, those two fingers are basically stuck in that position. So the only two fingers that are moving then are your index finger and your middle finger. Song's gonna start on an E minor 7. Okay, so that's just an E minor with your first two fingers, and then those two fingers that are stuck in that position. So we have E minor 7. From here, we go to a G chord. So you're just going to move your middle finger to the 6th string, 3rd fret. Next chord is a D suspended 4th. Okay, so I moved from the G, moved my index finger to the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. And you're playing the first 4 strings here. And then you're going to move to an A7 suspended 4th. All that is moving your index finger from the 2nd fret of the 3rd string to the 2nd fret of the 4th string. And then you'll play the first 5 strings. Okay, so what we have is this. The more challenging part about this song is getting the right hand rhythm right. The rhythm is going to sound something like this. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. I know that sounds like a lot. Let's try and go a little bit slower. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and repeat. Now, if we combine those two things very slowly, the chords and the rhythm, it's going to sound something like this. What you'll also notice is that the chords don't change right on beat number 1. A lot of them are changing on the and. So the first chord change, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down. Moving into the transition from verse 1 to verse 2. It's going to start on a C add 9 chord. Take a look at the chart if you're unfamiliar. Jumping to that D suspended 4th. into the A7 suspended fourth. You'll notice that your pinky and ring finger still haven't left their spots on the first and second string. Okay, so those three chords again: C add 9, D suspended fourth, A7 suspended fourth, and then back in to the verse. Rhythm for that section sounds like this. Okay, basically the same rhythm that we've been playing. Transitioning on those upstrokes. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. And into the second verse. And the second verse is exactly the same as the first. Coming out of the second verse, we just play the verse chords one more time. And then we're into the pre-chorus. Pre-chorus starts on C add 9. Jumps to D suspended fourth, and then back to that E minor 7. The right hand rhythm still stays the same. You'll notice the transition into that E minor actually happens on the downbeat. And at this point, what we're going to do is walk down from G to the F sharp to the E minor 7. And don't forget, pinky and ring finger still stuck to the fretboard. Okay, so we have a walk down from G, index finger to F sharp, and then to that E minor 7. And then you're going to jump back to that A7, and it plays for 2 bars. And now we're into the chorus. Chorus sounds like this. So the chord structure we're using there: C add 9, E minor 7, G, back to E minor 7, and repeat. Right hand rhythm stays the same. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. So this transfer to the E minor happens on that up, and then on the down to the G. And it ends. So it's down, up, down, up, down. Then back into a third verse, an extended chorus, and the song ends. Is Morning Glory the best album of the last 30 years? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do have souls.